Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are feeling great. So today we are going to be making some delicious plantain pottage. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. And please, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime we upload a new video. So guys, let's get started. So guys, for this recipe, I'm going to be using a combination of yellow and green plantain for this recipe. I'll be needing some fresh tomatoes. I've chopped the tomatoes into tiny pieces. I'll need some chopped scotch bonnet and one paprika chopped together. Some chopped onions. Dry fish, some grounded crayfish, dry prawn, palm oil, vegetable oil, some curry, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. And I'll be using some smoked mackerel. I'll be needing some spinach. So now let's start the cooking process. In my pot, I'm going to be adding some palm oil. I'm not going to bleach the oil, I'm just going to heat it a little bit. Then I'll add the vegetable oil. I'm going to saute the onions for about 2 minutes. I'll add the crayfish, the pepper. I'm going to make sure I stir together very well. I'll cook it for 1 minute. Then before I'll add the tomato. So now I'll be adding the tomato. I'll add the dry fish, the prawns, seasoning, curry, then I'll add the microfish. I'm going to stir everything together properly. At this point, I've tested. I need to add just a little amount of salt because I don't like eating too much salt. I'll cover it. I'll allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. I'll be right back. So now I'm going to be peeling off my plantain. Then I'll cut it into a little pieces. So now I'm going to check on the stew. I'll give it a nice stir. You want to stir it time to time because you don't want it to get burnt at the bottom. So the next step, I'll be adding the plantain. After adding the plantain, I will add water to the level of the plantain. You don't want to add too much water to it. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together. I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. So guys, it's time for me to check on our pottage and see how it's cooking. So now I'll be adding spinach. After adding the spinach, I'm going to leave it for 1 minute with a low heat. Then our plantain pottage is done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember to set the notification bell icon to all. That will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. Guys, this recipe is so delicious. Make sure you give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. So guys, I love you all guys, and I would love to see you all again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Take care of yourself. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.